Now, grow beautiful. Time to clean up after that delicious meal. There, that's better. These radishes are perfect for the market. Beautiful morning, isn't it? I hope you're hungry. Lunch is almost ready. The fire is ready. Time to cook. This will be ready soon. This will be ready soon. This will bring out all the rich, aromatic flavors. Perfect for a warm family meal. This is going to be absolutely delicious. It is almost ready. You must be very hungry. This is how we make authentic Mooli Ka Salan. Let it simmer to perfection. Let it simmer to perfection. The flour is finally ready. Now we can If you liked my video, comment on my video, like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel. I need to get these linens down to the river before noon. It is such a beautiful day outside today. It is a beautiful day for the harvest. Let's prepare some fresh food. It is directly from our own garden. These tomatoes are perfect. Fresh from the garden. These chilies are incredibly fresh. They add the perfect flavor to any dish. The fire is finally ready. Now we can start the cooking. This will be ready soon. It smells absolutely delicious. There we go, into the pot. This will be ready in just a few minutes. This needs to simmer just a little bit longer. There is nothing better than a home-cooked meal. This is going to be absolutely delicious. The dough is almost ready. The dough is almost ready. If you liked my video, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my video.